मोदी सरकारान सत्तेर येवन देशातल्या जनतेक एक नवो इतिहास दिला। जनधन योजनेमार्फत देशातले 28 करोड नागरिक बँकाकडेन जुळ्यात। तशेंच मुद्रा योजनेमार्फत 70% बायलांक फायदो जाला आणि स्वच्छ भारत उपक्रम सबंद देशात यशस्वी उपक्रम करपाक मोदी सरकाराचो व्हड हात आसा म्हण भाजपा खासदार स्मृती इराणी उलयल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
These 3 years for us have been a journey in which we have looked at economic upliftment, financial inclusion, in ensuring good governance and exploring possibilities for people who have till now struggled to ensure that their talents are met with equal support from the government so that they may flourish economically. For me, Mr. Tendulkar, Mr. Tanawade, it is but justified to be elated to be a part of this 3-year celebration, because it was very much in Goa that the Bharatiya Janata Party announced Shri Narendra Modi's name as our Prime Ministerial candidate. We are grateful that with the people's support, the Prime Minister's leadership has now ensured that under the Janadhan Yojana, 28 crore citizens of our country are now connected to banks, with over 22 crores who now have a RuPay card issued to them. Similarly, many are aware in our country that citizens from poor or lower middle class families who wanted to be financially independent, financially strong, never had access to loans without collateral. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana in the past 3 years has benefited over 7 crore 90 lakh citizens in our country. The hallmark of the Mudra Yojana is that 70% of the beneficiaries are women. Additionally, under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, we have for the first time a Swachh Bharat campaign which encourages cities, states to ensure open defecation free towns, mohallas, panchayats, nagar palikas. The fact that the citizens have participated wholeheartedly in the Swachh Bharat campaign makes it not only an administrative movement, but largely so a citizens' movement.